हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, टॉक मैथ्स चैनल पर राजीव माहेश्वरी फिर से आपके सामने है। अब हम बात कर रहे हैं कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स की, और जो फंक्शंस में हमने पढ़ा था कि किसी फंक्शन को बाइजेक्टिव प्रूव करना है, कैसे करेंगे, तो वो कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स मैं आपको बता रहा हूं। देखिए मैंने कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स ये लिखी हुई हैं। fx equal to 2x, f is the function n to n, f is the function r to r, fx equal to 2r, f is the function z to z, fx equal to x square। बड़ी बेसिक प्रॉब्लम्स हैं ये, बट सिंपल सी एनसीईआरटी की मैंने जो सेकंड एक्सरसाइज है उसकी ये बेसिक प्रॉब्लम ली है। ये बेसिक प्रॉब्लम्स एक बार हो जाती हैं तो बाद में हम कुछ आर डी शर्मा की 2-3 प्रॉब्लम्स कुछ लेवल 2 की लेंगे। देखिए इसमें मेन जो रोल है दैट इज ऑफ डोमेन एंड कोडोमेन। यहां आप देख रहे हैं फंक्शन सेम है, दिस इज fx इक्वल टू 2x, दिस इज ऑल्सो fx इक्वल टू 2x। भाई डिफरेंस क्या है दोनों? डिफरेंस ये है, दिस इज डोमेन नेचुरल नंबर्स, कोडोमेन नेचुरल नंबर्स, इन दिस डोमेन रियल नंबर्स, कोडोमेन ऑल्सो रियल नंबर्स। fx इक्वल टू x स्क्वायर, डोमेन इंटीजर्स, कोडोमेन ऑल्सो इंटीजर्स। जो प्रोसेस मैंने बताया पिछले वीडियो में वो ये बताया कि हम पहले ये देखें कि फंक्शन 1 है, उसके बाद देखें फंक्शन ऑन टू है। अगर वो दोनों है देन द फंक्शन इज बाइजेक्टिव, अदरवाइज इफ इट इज 1 ओनली देन वी से इट इज 1 बट नॉट ऑन टू, और इट इज ऑन टू ओनली देन इट इज नॉट 1 बट ऑन टू ओनली। सो टू चेक द फंक्शन whether it is 1 or not, this is the process. We take fx1 equal to fx2. Now what fx1 is? 2x1 equal to 2x2. It implies that x1 equal to x2. So fx is 1 1 for onto. This is the process. We will take y equal to function of x, y equal to fx. So y equal to 2x, then express x in terms of y. So x equal to y upon 2. And the method to check the surjectivity or onto of a function, we express x in terms of y and we check whether for all values of y within its codomain, x is also real within its domain. Clear? So then y is a natural number. Can y upon 2 be a natural number? It may be or may not be. When y is 1, 1 is a natural number, but 1 by 2, it is not a natural number. So we will say for all y, x is not in its domain. There is no x in its domain. For all y, x does not exist in its domain, or x does not exist, we can say x does not exist in its domain. Now, whenever, if it is okay, universal thing, when 2x1 equal to 2x2, x1 equal to x2. This we know for every value of x1, x2, this is true. So need not to give any example. But in this case, whenever it does not exist, you have to give an example. So let y equal to 1 belonging to a natural number, then x equal to 1 upon 2, that is not a natural number. So fx is not on 2. Hence fx is not a bijective function because it is 1 1 only but not on 2. Now in the second case, fx equal to 2x, again same function I am taking. This time its domain is real numbers, codomain is real number. So let fx1 equal to fx2, process remains same. Then 2x1 equal to 2x2 implies that x1 equal to x2. So fx is 1 1. y equal to 2x, x equal to y upon 2. Now for every value of y there exists real x in its domain, because whatever value of y you take any real number divided by 2, again a real number, and x also belongs to real number. So fx is onto. It implies that fx is bijective. Now third one, this time f is the function z to z. Z represent for integer, also an integer. Now the same function may be for real to real, maybe natural number to natural number, process remains same. Let fx1 equal to fx2. For every question for which you are proving whether it is injective, surjective, the process will remain same. You will take fx1 equal to fx2. What fx1 is? x1 square. What fx2 is? x2 square. We see that when x1 square equal to x2 square, then x1 need not equal to x2, maybe, but it may not be, because it belongs to integer. Now again, when x1 is not equal to x2, you have to show it by an example. Take one example, like minus 2 square equal to 2 square, but minus 2 is not equal to 2. So it is not 1, 1. Now for onto, again y equal to x square. When y equal to x square, we represent x in terms of y. X becomes root y. When x is root y, we see that for all y, there does not exist real x in its domain. Again, by an example, let y equal to minus 2, x becomes under root of minus 2, that is not integer. Or you can take plus 2 also, because under root 2 is not integer. This case you will take when it is given real to real. Then you can take y equal to minus 2, under root of minus 2 is not real. So it does not belong to z. So it is not onto. So the function is neither 1, 1 nor onto. The same function can be from real to real. When it is real to real, this will remain same. x1 square equal to x2 square. We will say x1 not equal to x2. Same example you can give. When y equal to x square, x equal to root y, then you can say for all y there does not exist real x in its domain. But this time you will take y equal to minus 2, because under root 2 does not belong to integer, but under root 2 belongs to real number. So you will take y equal to minus 2, then x equal to under root minus 2, or any negative number you can take. So it is not onto. So it all depends upon domain and codomain. These are very simple basic examples from this NCERT second exercise. I am taking one more question. उसमें भी हम यही प्रूव करेंगे कि फंक्शन 1, 1 onto है या नहीं है. देखिए हमारे पास क्वेश्चन है fx इक्वल टू x minus 1 upon x minus 2, and f is the function a to b, where set a is r minus 2 and set b is r minus 1. Check whether the function is bijective or not. Process same. Let fx1 equal to fx2. x1 minus 1 upon x2 minus 2, sorry, x1 minus 2 equal to x2 minus 1 upon x2 minus 2. जब मैंने क्वेश्चन लिखा है उस टाइम पर आप ये कर सकते हैं, पॉज करें और ट्राई टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन बाय योरसेल्फ, और सॉल्व होने के बाद उसके बाद फिर से वीडियो ऑन करके सॉल्यूशन देखें कि आपने ठीक किया है नहीं किया. x1 x2 minus 2x1 minus x2 plus 2 equal to x1 x2 minus x1 minus 2x2 plus 2. This x1 x2 cancel out, 2 cancel out, taking this x1 this side, so it becomes minus x1, x2 other side minus x2, implies that x1 equal to x2. That is our success, which shows that fx is 1 1. Now here domain is all real numbers except 2, codomain all real numbers except 1. The process is to check whether it is surjective on 2 or not. Y equal to x minus 1 upon x minus 2. xy minus 2y equal to x minus 1. करना क्या है इसमें, हमें x की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है in terms of y. Taking this side x, it becomes 2y minus 1. x y minus 1 equal to 2y minus 1. So x equal to 2y minus 1 upon y minus 1. Now here we find that the value of y cannot be 1 other than 1. Every value of y gives you real x, and that is given in this codomain. Codomain means y. Y cannot be 1. Rest every real number. So we will write for all y there exists real x in its domain. This you can write, or the other way you can find its range. What is its range? Range is all real numbers except 1, and that is equal to, you see, codomain. So fx is on 2, which implies that fx is bijective. इस तरह से ये 3 बिल्कुल बेसिक प्रॉब्लम्स थी. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम थोड़ा और एडवांस्ड प्रॉब्लम आर.डी. शर्मा की लेंगे. और ये वीडियो के लिए लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें.